Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the coin cell battery, loosen the screw on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the coin cell battery and unlatch it to remove it from the system. To reinstall the coin cell battery, place it back in the system and relatch it. Slide the side cover on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.